Have you ever thought about friendship and growing up? There is a beautiful story called The Jungle Book. It teaches us something very special about friendship and growing up. Let me tell you about it. The world of The Jungle Book is full of wonder. There are characters who are kind and brave. Some are big. Some are small. But they all have something to teach us. They show us what friendship and growing up really means. So what is friendship and growing up? Friendship and growing up can look different for everyone. Sometimes it is saying a kind word. Sometimes it is helping someone who is sad. In the story of The Jungle Book, we see this clearly. Even small acts can mean so much. Why is friendship and growing up so important? Because it makes people feel happy. It makes people feel safe. When we show this to others, they smile. And when they smile, we feel happy too. The characters in The Jungle Book teach us something. They teach us that friendship and growing up starts with us. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to try. And that is already very brave. You do not need to be in a movie to show friendship and growing up. You can do it every day. At home. At school. With your friends. Small things can make a big difference. Here is a fun challenge for you. Today, try to show friendship and growing up to someone. It can be your family or a friend. See how good it feels. The world of The Jungle Book is beautiful. It reminds us that friendship and growing up is important. We can all be kind and brave. And that is the most special thing about friendship and growing up. Remember, friendship and growing up makes the world better. You are special. You are brave. You are kind. And that is a wonderful thing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more stories.